In future, your car could help to power your home. That's because our energy system is changing and more power is being supplied by renewables, like wind power. Sometimes the wind blows so much that we have too much electricity, and sometimes the wind dies down and we don't have enough. We need a way to store the power generated on windy days. And Newcastle University researchers believe that electric vehicles could be part of the answer. We are working with Nissan, National Grid, UK Power Networks, Northern Power Grid and E.ON on a system that could see excess energy stored in the batteries of millions of electric vehicles and fed back into the power grid when they aren't being used. We're installing 1,000 special charging points across the UK to test the technology. Each car will be connected to the internet so that clever AI technology can work out when you need your vehicle. It all means that eventually, when you park your car in your drive at night, or perhaps in the car park at work, it will stay plugged in, with the battery being charged and discharged as needed, to help us reduce the use of fossil fuels and limit the impact of climate change. From Newcastle for the world.